Want to know how to add more devices in Reolink? So if you want to add multiple devices, I got you. In this video, we will be discussing how you can easily add multiple devices. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, make sure you have the Reolink app downloaded on your phone. So if you haven't, we have also created a video on how to do it. So make sure to watch it. Now once you have done that, just simply open up the application, and if you want to, you can directly log in for more features. Now if you want to add multiple devices, so I don't have any device for me right here, but if you want to, on the top right side you should be seeing this small plus icon right here. So this would directly head you towards your camera or your scanner, which will head you to scanning the product. So that's it. That's how you simply add an extra device in Reolink. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.